Imagine if you gave a pile of money to this little guy. What do you think that would look like? It probably looks something like this. But what if you got that same pile of money? What would that look like? It would probably look something like this.
But why?
Because you know its value and potential. You'd probably buy a house, buy a car, go shopping, or take a vacation. Well, what if we gave you a 3D printer? Would you eat it like a baby? You can make some food with the 3D printer. There are people who already see the potential of 3D printing. A doctor has helped a blind woman see her unborn child. Others have helped these children interact with the world around them.
Children's imagination can become reality.
Food is being made. A 3D printer is building 10 houses a day in China. Can you believe that? Fortunately, schools are beginning to have this fascinating tool available in their classrooms. However, many teachers have yet to use them because either they don't know how to use it or they don't know its value. Sometimes the printers are still sleeping in the box. To utilize this new technology and make a positive impact on the world, we want to create a curriculum that will bring these 3D printers to life in the classroom. With your support, you can inspire creative children and future leaders to make their world better. Don't sleep on creative potential.